Start. Mr. Chairman, when the House rose yesterday, I was dealing with the criticism and strong condemnation made by the Honorable friend Dr. Kunzru against the conduct of ministers when they go out for election campaign on behalf of their party candidates. The language he used was, of course, strong, and it is open to any member to use such language as he considered proper, but I am constrained to say that on this occasion the quantum of his criticism and the language which he used was not only uncharitable but even ungraceful. He went to the length of not only suggesting but also specifically accusing the ministers of being dishonest in as much as they tried to invent some government business so that they might be able to travel at government expenses and with high government officers. The charge that be leveled against the ministers was threefold. Firstly, they invent some business whereas the primary consideration with them is to carry on an election campaign. Secondly, they go about in government cars and their tour expenses are debited to the government account. And thirdly, they use the police officers and the magistrates to help them in connection with the elections. The third is, of course, by implication. Then, sir, he has said something more than what I thought him to have said. I had said that it was only by implication. Now it was not only by implication, but he says that he really meant it, and he found the police officers and the magistrates helping the ministers in organizing meetings. Well, sir, so far as his personal knowledge in this respect is concerned, I will not be so bold as to say that it is not correct, for I have always held Dr. Kunzru in very high esteem ever since my college days. Therefore, so far as his personal knowledge of anything is concerned, I would not dispute it, though I might say that my personal experience in this respect has always been otherwise. Possibly on some one occasion it may have been a different matter when Dr. Kunzru saw it. Well, the police officials are of course there. Sometimes some magistrate is also there, particularly when our honorable Prime Minister goes about on an election campaign, or for that matter wherever he goes, and that is necessary for security reason. I hope that of all the persons Dr. Kunzru would not like that proper security measures should not be taken when our Prime Minister goes out. Sir, yesterday I pointed out one unhappy incident of the very recent past when our Prime Minister went somewhere in Madhya Pradesh, I suppose, and when somebody sprang upon him in order to attack him. Therefore, sir, it has been found necessary always to take all the necessary precautionary measures when the Prime Minister goes about or when the other important minister go about. Sir, the second thing that he had was that they go about in government cars. It is indeed an astounding